it is surrounded by the North Pole is South Pole. There is a lot of glaciers, and under the glaciers there is a lot of methane, which is a dangerous element. If the temperature is increasing, the glaciers will melt into the ocean, and the methane will also mix into the ocean. If the fishes will if the fishes will consume that methane, there is a lot of new diseases. For example, cancer and the heart disease, many other diseases. If we consume that fishes, many other diseases may happen to our body also. For example, before 100 years ago, the cancer patients in our country is 5 to 6. In this generation, the cancer patients in our India is 20 to 30. These all are increasing because of this.
All the athletes make a line, Nana.
Here we can see the water.
Sorry for the delay. All athletes make a line.
And if the water is increasing in the oceans, it leads to decrease the land. For example, our north and south India, there is a lot of land which is under the water. If it is continuing, maybe some countries may disappear. For example, Australia and our southern India like Kerala, Tamil Nadu may disappear. We should have to avoid this all things. And here we can see how the water is polluting from the factories. From the factories, the waste materials are deposited into a river. The pH value if the pH value of the river is less than 5.5, it will destroy the aquatic culture which are living in this water. If the water pH is less than 5.5, it leads to many new health hazards. For example, cancer, like that. We are the citizens to avoid this all things, and we have to in the factories near the area the waste materials are deposited on. There is no particular area to deposit the waste material. The waste has to be deposited in a specific area. This all called sustainable development with equity. What is meant by sustainable development with equity means we want development, but our development should not destroy any other thing. It is known as sustainable development with equity. We should have to do that things. Here we can see the farmland. By the factories, the farmland also is also affected. For example, Bhopal gas tragedy. This is happened in 1984 in our India. It's happened past 47 years ago, but the effects had been now also. For example, the newborn child are born without arms and legs. The scientists researched that why they are born without arms and legs. With the researchers, they came to know that because of the factories, 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy, they are born without arms and legs. That's much of capability of the factories. We should have to avoid such kind of things. And here we can see the water pollution. There we can see the soil pollution. And because of the increasement of population, the vehicles also are increasing day by day. If the vehicles are increasing, it leads to many air pollution. From the vehicles, we know that the greenhouse gases and CO2 gases are being released. We should have to avoid such that all things, and we should have to use electric motors. We should have to avoid that motors which are working from the fossil fuels. We should have to avoid the fossil fuels consumption. We have to reduce the fossil fuels consumption. We are thinking about our own work. We have to reduce the use of fossil fuels. How much we are required, that much of what we should use the fossil fuels. In the factories, when they are making a product, there is such some wastage. For example, they are making a TV. You know that from the waste materials has been deposited somewhere. If you are the owner of the factory, for example, if you want to deposit the wastewater into the river, it's very cheap. If you want to recycle it, it's very high. If you are the owner, means what you will do, sir? For example,
Nowadays, we are directly sending into our nature, water, or in our air, or in our land.
we should have to avoid it.
We are not protecting directly. Do you go to the government or anybody?
Another example.
Actually, they are failed.
We are the citizens to avoid such a
The pollution water is directly mixed in our drinking water source.
For example, we are traveling from here to the Chicago factory. While you are traveling, you saw that the factories waste materials had been deposited from the river, deposited into the river. For example, what will you do, sir? You saw that. What will you do? Many of them will think that why should I have to raise the voice against the factory?
Maybe the factories take the care and recycle the water and use again the water.
If they are not doing such a thing, we are the citizens to question them. But most of the people are not doing such a thing. We have to feel responsibility. We have to feel responsibility and we have the right to question to our government. In 1982 in Rajasthan, the first
The factories are thinking about their profit.
ah,
When they are recycling the water, what is the
For
cost
example,
of that system?
Bhopal gas factory, the factory is in USA. The factory owner is from USA. And his investment is in India. And the effect is in India, not on USA. It's all are affecting our nature only. It's happened 47 years ago, but the effects are continuing. The effects from the generations and generations, the effects are continuing. We have to protect our nature. Here we can see the towers. We all have mobiles. From the mobile, the radiation has been spreading in the atmosphere, which disturbs the birds.
But they can't leave it.
We can't live. But in Japan, like a country, there is less towers. But in a country like India, we are using more towers. We have to reduce the towers. Why we should have to restrict the towers? Because many birds are dying because of the towers. What is the use of birds? Means the birds help in the field.
Okay, thank you.